I see that there's a bunch of Pokemon all around, man. What did you do, buddy? What did you do this time, man? Yu-Gi-Oh has taken over. This is Pokemon, not Yu-Gi-Oh, man. What are you doing? Oh my God, it's a Mega Charizard! I don't need all these. Yes, it's evolving. Yes, yay! Go, Froakie, 22, and Pikachu. Yo, Gaines, let's go. Hoop, hoop. Hey. All right, buddy. We are almost done catching the Pokemon. Battle time. Are you ready, Jeff? How? What in the? Yes! Got him! Who's charging? Yeah, that's how it's done. Hit him with a Fur Blast! Yes! Let's do this. Come on. Dead! Yes! I won the battle! Awesome! Welcome to the day! Hi. Welcome to the day of Daycare! Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new Daycare episode. Yo, what is going on in the Daycare? Wait, what is that? Why is it like random border things on the Daycare? So anyways, welcome back, guys. Yesterday was absolutely crazy, and I'm back once again. But for some reason, it's nighttime today. I don't know. It hasn't changed at all, and it's been really spooky. I've been hearing spooky ghost noises and stuff. So, what? What's going on with the Daycare? What's this? Nice. First bug. Woo! Nice. Hello, Jeff. Jeff, what are you doing, buddy? Why are you putting up border things in there? And why are you wearing a suit? Hey, Jeff. We gotta go. Hold on, Jeff. Could you explain why it's been nighttime this whole entire day? Huh? It is what? We gotta go. It is haunted. Wait, the Daycare's haunted? Is it Halloween yet? Let me check. It's not even Halloween. It's not even Halloween. Haunted, yes. Wait, what? How's it haunted, man? Are you sure it's a good idea, man? Yes, we gotta go. Where are we going? Where are we going? Come on, where are we going? Jeff, what are we doing? So, Jeff, you're telling me this place is haunted, man? Why would it be haunted? Come on, man. There's nothing there at all. What's up? Yay! I brought up the Daycare for a reason. Jeff, I feel like you have this kind of paranoia. You know, you have a problem or something, man. Come on. What could possibly be wrong with a Daycare? Don't start with me, Jeff. I'm never starting with you, dude. I got no problem with you. You're wearing a nice suit and you look good, okay? Well, where are we gonna go, huh? Every time I say this, I've been right. Jeff, you're never right. You're never right. You know what? I got you, buddy. Oh, stop it. Bite. Ow, chill. Jeff, check it out. Look, I got my new paintball gun. Oh, can you not? Hey, stop. Stop, Jeff. Oh, my God. You're just so savage today, dog. What's your problem, man? Listen, if you're bored of the Daycare, that's fine with me, but you don't have to shoot me about it. Either help or leave. Hey! Stop it. You know what? I'm not helping you. Oh. Jeff? I am inside the Daycare. Jeff? I'm inside the Daycare, buddy. Jeff? Sucks to you. Jeff, come on. I want some big fish. I want some boards. I want some steak. I want a little bit of big fish. And some of this. And some of that. And I want some more food. Because I want some of food. Ow! Stop. Jeff, you can't stop me, man. What's this? Christmas came early. Jeff, it's a bunch of presents over here and a bunch of dead. Oh my God! It's dead bodies! Oh no! Oh, that's not a prop. Don't touch it! Don't touch it, you dummy! Dude, Jeff, there's cobwebs and dead bodies everywhere and skeletons and Halloween stuff. Jeff, what is going on? What did you do? Tell me what you did. Is this? Oh my God! No way. This dude don't listen. Jeff, who'd you get mad now? Huh? Which ghost did you get mad? What happened? Who do you think? I don't know. What are you talking about, man? Jeff, you have a problem with getting a lot of people mad and on your bad side. So I feel like everyone hates you sometimes. You know what I'm talking about? Never. Jeff, what's it, Musina? What'd you do to Musina? What'd you do to my girlfriend? What'd you do to my friend, huh? There's only one enemy of mine. What enemy, Jeff? You mean me? Ha! Girlfriend. I did not say girlfriend. But anyways. This dude over here. Jeff, I'll take care of this spooky thing of yours. But, easy. Your friend, Jeffina. Oh, you mean your wife? Oh, how's it going for you, by the way? Did you guys go to couple therapy? No! Jeff, you're still married to her. We out. What do you mean you out? Jeff, you can't be out of a relationship like that. No, Jeff, no. Okay, come on. I found a loophole. What's the loophole, Jeff? Huh? What kind of loophole is it? There's so many things all around here. Look at that. I'm a lawyer. This man just said he's a loyal dog. Yo, you're as much of a lawyer as you are as a scientist. Come on, bro. So it was never confirmed. Jeff, you never... okay, whatever. All right. Jeff, I'm going in here, man. If there was something haunted, I would have probably already seen it by now. Why is there like a random floating dead body over here? So I'm amazing, then have fun. I'm out. Where you gotta go? Huh? Jeff, where you gotta go? There you go. Hey! Hey, what? Hey, stop. Jeff, and we gotta go there now. And we gotta go there. Jeff, I told you. Come back here. Jeff, come back here. Jeff, no. No, Jeff. Bad. Bad, Jeff. Come on. You're staying at Game of Zero with me now. You got that? Huh? How does it feel now, Jeff? Yeah, that's right. How does it feel to be like that? That's what I thought. Okay, Jeff, come on. We're gonna face your fear and we're gonna find Jeffina and stop it. Hey! Don't you dare run away! Jeff, stop it! Jeff, stop it. Jeff, I have a sniper rifle. Jeff. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, okay. Jeff, where are you gonna go? Too bad you suck at it. Jeff, where are you gonna possibly go? Huh? Stop it. Hey, stop running away. Come on, Jeff. Seriously, relax, bro. My lab! Dude, if Jeffina's haunting you, you want your daycare and your laboratory to be like this? Really? Come on. You really want that, Jeff? Huh? You really want that? That's what I thought. Get back here. Okay, come on, man. Help me find... Jeff is stuck. Jeff is stuck. Oh, and he's running away. Okay, you know what? We need a plan B. There you go. Perfect, yo. Jeff, can you not? Jeff, seriously, stop. Come on. Dude, I'll help you out. Fine, I'll help you out. How about that? I'm going to help you out. All right, sounds good. What do you need me to do? I'm also running low on bullets, by the way, so it's kind of bad. What do you want me to do? Got no more paintball bullets. Nothing. We got to find out something to do. Besides, run. What? Run from what? What are we running from? This man don't get it. This man don't get it. What are you? You are so dumb. What? I said Jeffina. Where? Where's Jeffina at? Jeff, you have some paranoia. You know what it is, man? Maybe you just really miss her, dude. You maybe just... Oh, it's a witch! That's a witch! Oh, no. Bop. Got it. Oh, I'm out of bullets. Oh, okay. I'm gonna throw one of these out. Okay. Run! Come on. Let's go. Jeff, follow me. All right, Jeff, where do we hide? We gotta hide somewhere. Come on, buddy. Where do we hide? Jeff, don't just stand there. Come on, we gotta go. You're a sacrifice. Jeff, are you kidding me right now? Dude, listen. Jeffina wouldn't even want me. Jeffina likes me. I'm on the good side of her. You're the one that's hated right now, so you better figure something out, Jeff. Come on, bro. She low-key hates you. Jeff, bro, are you serious right now? Jeffina respects me. I saw her diary. Jeff, that's a better reason for her to hate you. You saw her diary, man. Dude, oh, witch. Oh, no. Nope. Oh, no. Oh, snap. Okay, I'm building up. I am out of here. I'm going to take my moose block and I'm going to get out of here. Jeff, come on, build up, buddy. Oh, Jeff, take some of these. Take it, quick, hurry up. Take that. You are so going to die. Ow, something hit me. Ow. Hi, Jeff. Hey. Oh my God! No, Jeff, I saw her! Oh my God, she's so hideous! Oh, Jeff, I saw. Oh, I survived that. Hey, that's awesome! Unlimited power. Up and Jeff died. Jeff, I saw her, dude. She was like a spooky thing. It looked like a ghost. It looked like a real ghost, bro. Oh, nope. Oh, really? Yeah, really, bro. Come on, man. I told you, bro. Okay. Well, what do we do about this, man? How are we supposed to stop Jeffina? Huh? I think you just gotta get remarried back or something. I don't know, man. You gotta figure something out. I feel like you two have this like really bad problem, and you guys gotta fix it, man. I don't. Jeff, I don't want to marry her. Jeff, just do it. What's the big deal? Come on, seriously. Like, what's the big deal, man? What's gonna happen? Huh? You don't want to marry her for what? Like, what? You already married her. Like, you can't stop it. Just like be a good relationship, and that's it. Like, there's no big problem at all. Jeff, can you not do this? Oh, Jeffina! Oh, behind you! Jeff, behind you, buddy. You see her? You see over there? Nothing. Jeff? Listen, man, she wants you. She doesn't even want me. All right, so that's your problem, man. Just saying. That's your problem. Like I said, man, she just wants you, so she's got no problem with me. But Jeff, how about this? I will protect you. Sounds good, buddy? I will protect you. How about that? Huh? You want me to protect you, Jeff? No, move away. Jeff, bro, come on, man. Jeff, come on. Okay, you know what, Jeff? How about this? Me and you together, we'll go in there, all right, and we'll kidnap, we'll kidnap the ghost in like a jug of moose milk. Huh? Yeah, trust me, bro. Yo, ghosts do not like moose milk, okay? Trust me. So just throw a moose milk at a ghost and like they'll be captured into the moose milk. Sounds good, buddy? Here's one. Take one of those, okay? Just do not miss a chance. Do you like ever use a thing in your head? Wait, you mean my helmet? Wait, or the antlers? Huh? Or is it just like nothing there? Oh, okay. That solves it. So you're talking about my antlers. All right, whatever. Let's go, Jeff. Nothing's there. Well, I'm clearly wearing a helmet. What's wrong with you, man? Oh my God, this man, dude. I'm wearing a onesie. Ah, Jeff, you're such a weirdo. Oh! What was that? Yo, did you hear that? Jeff, come on. We gotta hide. We gotta hide, buddy. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Hiding spot right here. Yo, follow me. Jeff, what are you doing? Hey! Yo! You noob, come here. What are you doing? Oh my God, this guy. Come on, get over here. Get over here. Hurry up. All right, we should be safe here, dude. All we gotta... Oh, stop! We're not safe! We're not safe! Oh! My bad! My bad! Hey! Sorry. I saw a spooky witch. It kind of scared me. We're good, buddy. Come on, follow me. Let's go. Over here. Come on, get up here. Dude, she won't see us over here. Just be very, very quiet. Ghosts can sense things. Wait, why is she a ghost, by the way? Yeah, why is she a ghost? What'd you do, Jeff? Oh my God, Jeff. Did you try to do like an experiment on her? Oh, experiment gone wrong. Jeff, no wonder she's mad. You turned your girlfriend into a ghost. How do you even do that? Is that possible? That doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, come on. Let's go. Follow me, buddy. Oh, this is all closed up. Okay, we got a problem. Here, come over here. Let's go on the roof. I tried to make her disappear completely. Well, Jeff, that's not gonna work. Why would you try that ever, dude? Follow me, buddy. Just follow me. But I messed up. Well, obviously you messed up, dude. Okay, obviously. She's only semi-disappearing now. Jeff, stop. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to help you escape. This dude. Jeff, you are the worst kind of person. You know that? You are absolutely the worst kind of person. Ah, this dude. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Over here. I hear a witch, by the way. I hear a spooky witch. I don't know about this. Come on, follow me, follow me, follow me. Okay, so no one's actually been in this part of the daycare, so we should be pretty good, dude. I mean, it kind of seems like it's haunted and all, so it's no big deal, but we should be good. Hit. Oh, okay. Ow! Chill! Dude, not cool. Whoa, bro, you want your girlfriend to kidnap you? Is that what you want? You turn her into a ghost. You know how mad she would be right now? I'm out of here, man. This guy. She ain't after me. Got him. Got him. Sorry. I'll bring you back. I'm sorry. Okay. Dude. Okay, now I escaped. Jeff, who's she after? Who's she actually after then? No, stop. Stop what? Jeff, you're so stubborn. You are so stubborn. Don't TP me. Jeff, there's no way of getting out of here. There's absolutely no way of getting out of here, bro. We're stuck here. I run. Ah, she's here. Where? Wait, dude. Are you hallucinating? Oh my God! She's right there! Run away! It's so derpy looking! Oh no. Rainbow Jeffina! She doesn't even look like a rainbow. You know what? I'm out of here. There's a floating arrow. What? Jeff! You okay over there, buddy? Jeff, buddy, old pal! I shall save you! Wow, that quick scope, though. Hey, come on, Jeff! Let's go, buddy. Let's get out of here, man. It's a bad idea, bro. Jeff, you gotta figure out your problem with her, man. She's trying to kill us. Ow! Stop! Bruh! This dude. Oh no. Oh no. Jeffina's haunting the daycare. We gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be out there. Just subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see another daycare video. Yo, run. Jeff, run away. Jeff, run away from Jeffina. Oh, babe. She's a spooky ghost. I'm out of here. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Whoa.